The ancient Vanneri Nadu was a university town of the Vallabha Mushaga kings. That is what you call the present day Kochi, Vanneri, Mada Bhuvavati, Madathingal Surupam. Their university town. And here the center was Govindapuram temple. And around that, the 33 Bhudeva or the Agraharas where the different subjects were taught were arranged. Now, during the Ajnatavasa period, Yudhishthira consecrated the temple of Govindapura and Padmanabha Swami Kshetram by Arjuna, Padakekad and Nrsimha Swami Kshetram by Bhima, Vikkanamukku, Kadalai and Pallipuram by Nagula Sakadeva. So all the five brothers have consecrated temples of Mahavishnu in different Sankalpa in Punyavarkulam itself. It's a beautiful place with the greenery and different types of flowers. And this place is actually mentioned in Kogila Sandesham and Koga Sandesham and many charitas of the 13th, 14th centuries. And Alvanjeri, Mana and the Thambrakal are also mentioned in them. And even though it is a small temple now, it was at once upon a time a very famous temple, a university, Kendra Vanderi Grama Kshetra, and the beautiful Vishnu there. He is with the Sankalpa of Vishnu at Rajasuya. That is same time Saumya and Ugra, because Shubhalavada happened then. And because of that, the Vishnu is Jaladrushti, west facing Vishnu with a big chira on the western side. And it is said that one of the Chenamangalam, Chenas Namboodiripadu, Narayanan Namboodiripadu was his name, during 13th century, read a kavyam, a satirical kavyam about the administrative policies of Manaveda. It was the Durbharana of Manaveda. And this was done as a Chakyar Kuttu in the Kuttambalam of Govindapuram temple by one Nilagandha Chakyar. And the Payur Patteri and the Talapalli third Tampuran, Unamgur, were instrumental in making the Chakyar do this in the Kuttambalam. They encouraged doing that. And knowing this, Samudiri's people came, and at the time, in the Kuttambalam, within the temple itself, the Samudiri's people killed the Chakyar. After that, the Chakyar family of Vanderi Nadu fled away from Punyavarkulam, from Vanneri, and went to Pandallur. Now the Pandallur Chakyars are actually from Vanneri Nadu. And in early periods, the Urama was Amayur, Chenas, Pattat, Karimattalat, and also Katumadam. The other four gave the Uranma to Katumadam. In 1993, Katumadam gave it to a Kshetra Samrakshana Samiti. It's a square Ekatala temple, west facing, northeast has a well. Ganapati is west facing at the south, Bhagavati facing east, in the east itself. Then there is a Yogeshwaran, northeast facing east. Then the Chuttambala has west, north and east doors, and southeast there is a Tadapalli, and outside the Chuttambalam, southwest is Ayyappan facing east, and northwest is a Kshetrapalan. Some people think that it is Dakshinamurti, but it is not Dakshinamurti. It is facing west and is having a Jaladrushti, and the features that are not like that of Dakshinamurti. And The eastern Gopuram is ruined. The earlier the Anapala Maryada was there. The Shila Dwarapalaga are beautiful. Vishnu standing Vishnu, 81 centimeters Chadurbhujam. One hand is broken. Even then, because the idol is exquisitely made and consecrated by Yudhishthira, Devaprasna said that it is not good to change it. So the same Vishnu is the beautiful Vishnu. It is a old age, Vruddhanaya Krishnana. Ganapati is sitting 30 centimeters. Bhagavati also sitting 23 centimeters. Ayyappan also sitting 60 centimeters. Kshetrapalan standing 90 centimeters. Yogeshwara has only a Pita Pratishta, no form. Hanuman is standing 60 centimeters. Nagayakshi sitting 30 centimeters. Vaishakha Ekadashi and Ashtami Rohini, Ayyappan Velakku, Vinayaka Chaturthi are all important. And Pushpanjali and Sharkara Payasam are given. Now the Tantri is Perindri Chenas Mana. And now we go to the Koltapalli of Koltapalli is actually Bhima's Pradishta. And it has got a Namaskara Mandapa, beautiful stone Dwarapalagas and lot of decorations on the wall. It is fully made of stone, unlike Govindavaram, etc., which are mainly made of wood. This is a stone temple, and it is really beautiful to watch it. The decorations are, some of them are in the Pallava style, and the Sankalpa is Nrisimha, because Bhima wanted to kill Dushasana just as the Narasimha killed. So the Pradishta with which Bhima did this Chaturbhuja Vishnu is Nrisimha Sankalpa. And Arjuna has done in the Parthasarathi Sankalpa in the Padmanabhapuram temple, and Nagula and Sahadeva has done it as a Uni Krishna, small Bala Krishna Rupa. So that shows only the Sankalpa of the person who consecrated the idol. And in fact, because even though Yudhishthira's Pratishta is not in the Nrsimha Rupa, it is a Rugra Rupa, so both this and Govindavaram temple both has Jaladrishti. But in this case, the Jala is not a tank or chira, but it is a small canal. And it is said that in former days, small boats could reach this place so that the trade and commerce could be controlled by this temple, because Bhima was the Yuvaraja, no? And these temples have got at least history, at least the consecrated idol has more than 3,000, 4,000 years history, because they are consecrated by the Pandava brothers. There is a circular plate with a central hole for doing dhara on the idol. This is a beautiful plate with some decorations, and you can see that there are central opening, a circle, and several flowers arranged around, and decorated plate for doing dhara. And the Kolatapalli Mana is doing the puja and the daily routines of the temple. There are a lot of old stones, probably from an earlier structure. They are all kept in one corner. We don't know whether there are any inscriptions, or some of them actually shows something like a pictograph, inscriptions like, but you cannot read that because they are in a very dilapidated. If we can take out each one of them and read it, it would be useful, I think. And a very difficult thing for a independent researcher. Somebody interested in the history of Vanneri Nadu should come up and do these works. Now we will see the small Jalashaya. There is a small temple tank in front, to which a canal joins, so that trade with small boats can come there. Kolatapalli is one of the 33 Bhudevas of Vanneri Nadu. It is their property now, and they are looking after the temple. When I went there, it was a small boy who was doing the puja from the mana. They are doing it properly. Among the Thalis of Malabar, one is the Eramangalam Thali. At present, that temple is not there. The Kaniramukku Eramangalam Thali. It is being a new temple at that very site is being created, but it is it's an old history being reconstructed. But you can see very old trees around the newly constructed temple, which are relics of the old past. Anyway, Vanneri Nadu has got a very, very long past, and most of the people who write about Vanneri Nadu actually doesn't know the history of it. That is actually so very, very sad fact.